Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Turkish ebook before it's gone. Want to finally start speaking in your target language? In this guide, you'll discover the top 7 ways to practice speaking on your own with our lessons. Let's begin. Number 1, shadowing. Shadowing is a proven learning technique where all you do is repeat what you hear in order to practice speaking. So, access any audio or video lesson on the site and press the play button to start. Then, as you listen or watch, just repeat the conversations. Or, even easier, read along out loud with the dialogue section. The script is right there in front of you. With our lessons, you can master entire conversations, just like that. Number 2, read out loud. I just mentioned it, but reading out loud is another powerful tactic and deserves its own mention. With every lesson, you get written transcripts and translations. So, as you play the lesson, read the dialogue out loud as you hear it. Why? By reading out loud, you're also practicing your speaking skills. You can do this with the lesson notes, the lesson transcript, or the dialogue tool. With the dialogue tool, you can listen to each line again and again, and repeat out loud until you master them all. Number 3, speed up your reading to speed up your speaking. Being able to speak without thinking is a sign of language mastery. If you're talking to a native and can respond quickly, they'll assume that you're fairly fluent. How can you do this? When you read out loud, try increasing your speed a little bit every time. So, start by reading with the dialogue tool. If you're like most learners, you'll read the first line slowly. That's because you're still getting used to the words, which is okay. Reread it. On your second try, you know most of the words, and you'll read a little faster. Reread it again. On your third try, you'll be even faster, at a native speaker's speed. And being able to read these phrases out loud and fast will help you speak fast. Number 4, record and compare yourself with native speakers. In order to sound like a native speaker, you must imitate native speakers. So here's how. Access the voice recorder, which is in the dialogue study tool in every lesson. Click on the microphone icon. Listen to the native speaker's audio, and then record yourself. You can then compare the 2 recordings side by side, and practice and try again and again until you perfect your pronunciation. Number 5, get feedback from our Premium Plus teacher. If you're learning by yourself and don't have access to real teachers, then you can always get feedback from our Premium Plus teachers. With the My Teacher tool, you can record yourself speaking and send the audio file to the teacher. They'll review it and tell you what to improve and how. That's it. Number 6, level up your speaking with Premium Plus assignments. With Premium Plus, you can also get assignments that cover reading, writing, listening, and even speaking from your teacher. These assignments can be tailored to your goals and needs. You get a new one every week, or anytime you're ready for a new one. Number 7, get even more lessons in the lesson library. If you want even more lessons on speaking and conversations, visit our lesson library and under Category, choose Conversation. You'll get all of the pathways and lessons that are focused on speaking. If you enjoyed these tips, hit the like button, share it with anyone who's trying to learn a language, and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos every week. And if you're ready to finally learn language the fast, fun, and easy way, and start speaking from your very first lesson, get our complete learning program. Sign up for your free lifetime account right now. Click the link in the description. I'll see you next time. Bye!
Hi everyone, it's Celine. And today we're going to do Turkish weekly words. And I'm going to be teaching you some useful Turkish words that you can use in your daily life and so let's start. Okay, so today's topic is hobbies. Yay! In Turkish, actually, we also say hobby. So it's really close to English word. And I like to talk about hobbies, actually. I have so many hobbies. I'm so proud of it. Well, let's see the first word. Çizmek. To draw, yeah. I'm really bad at drawing, but let me give you a good example about it. Resim çizmeyi çok seviyorum. Resim çizmek is drawing a picture. Resim is picture. Resim çizmeyi çok seviyorum. Yeah, I really like to draw a picture as well, but since I'm really bad at it, I just don't draw anything. Nette surf yapmak. Surf the net. Net is net in Turkish as well. And surf is surf. I think it's pretty close. And yapmak is like to do, the activity itself. So nette surf yapmak. Her gün nette surf yapıyorum. It's like I am surfing the net every day. Of course I'm not doing, no, it's not true, but bir müzik aleti çalmak. Play a musical instrument. I really like that because I can also play something. I can play piano, so I'm going to give example about it. Ben piyano çalıyordum. It means like I was playing piano in the past. Satranç oynamak. Play chess. I did that too. Satranç oynamak. But of course, like, you should speak fast, right? So you should say satranç oynamak. I know you can do. I used to play chess actually when I was in middle school, so I was really bad at it too. I don't know why. I was really bad at everything I tried. Anyway, if you want to ask, do you play chess? Then you go like, satranç oynar mısın? Yüzmek. Yüzmek. It means swim, swimming. Yeah, it's my favorite hobby, so that's why I picked it. You can say like, havuzda mı yüzersin, denizde mi? Would you prefer to swim in pool or in sea? Havuzda mı yüzersin, denizde mi? Well, personally, I prefer pool. I'm such a princess, maybe. Thank you guys for watching. Today we talked about hobbies, so just let us know what are your favorite hobbies in comments below. If you want to watch more videos or if you want to learn Turkish, then please visit turkishclass101.com. I'll be waiting. Okay, see you guys. Hi everyone, it's Celine and welcome to Turkish Weekly Words. Yay! Today we're gonna speak Turkish together. Okay, let's start. I'm really excited about the topic, so let's go and see. Fruits! Yay! Finally about fruits. I'm so happy. Fruits. I really like fruits. Meyveler in Turkish. If you want to say fruit, then it's meyve. Meyve is fruit. Meyveler, plural form, is fruits. Yeah, simple, right? Meyve. Ananas. Pineapple. I think I really like ananas. And did you know, like, if you eat ananas, then it helps you lose weight. Yeah, I checked a lot. I searched a lot about it. It doesn't grow in Turkey. Yeah, like not everyone is eating, or it's not so popular in Turkey, maybe. Ananas kilo vermene yardımcı olur, which means pineapple helps you lose weight. It's important, right? Kavun, melon. I think it's my, sorry, but least favorite fruit. I don't know why. I'm sorry, kavun. I really don't like it. So my example is, of course, kavunu sevmiyorum. I don't like melon. Sevmiyorum means I don't like, I don't love. So I don't like melon. Kavunu sevmiyorum. I said it so dramatically, maybe. Kavunu sevmiyorum. No, like maybe it sounds better like that. Kavunu sevmiyorum. Elma. Apple. Oh, it's cute, right? I don't know why did I say cute to a fruit. I think apple is cute. In old times in Turkey, maybe in Turkish villages, if you have someone you love, but you're just too shy to show your love. And in old times in Turkey, it was kinda, how should I say, not so okay to show your love. So the girl was giving an apple to a guy. It means I love you. So if the girl just gives the apple to the guy understands, oh, maybe this girl has feelings for me, maybe like that. Her gün elma yemek sağlığınız için çok iyidir. It means like eating apple every day is good for your health. Çilek, strawberry. Oh, that's my favorite. I really like strawberry. Even when I speak about strawberry, I'm so happy. Çilek is awesome. Even like the sound is nice, right? Çilek. It's like something even cuter than apple. Çilek. Strawberry. So that is why my example is, of course. Her gün çilek yiyebilirim. I can eat strawberries every day, which is true. Her gün means every day, as I said before. Her gün çilek yiyebilirim. In Turkey, we also have like this as a name for girls. Çilek, strawberry. Hey strawberry, how are you? Hey çilek. It's really true. Like some girls are named as like çilek in Turkey. Çilek, ne haber? Ne haber means like, hi, how are you? Çilek. Like that. Portakal. Orange. I think it's same everywhere in the world, but in Turkey we think if you catch cold or flu and then if you eat orange, then you'll get well soon. Maybe that's why I kind of don't like it, because like every time when I eat orange, portakal, I remember the old times when I got sick, or every time when I got sick I had to eat orange because my family just pushed me to eat orange. It reminds me kind of being sick. I'm sorry. Oh, so yeah, let's give example like that. If you catch flu, then just eat orange. Eğer grip olursanız portakal yiyin. Okay, thank you guys for watching the video. Today we talked about fruits, which is my, I think, favorite topic. So I told you my favorite fruit and my least favorite fruit. So what are your favorites and which fruits you don't like or you dislike? Just tell me. And if you want to watch more videos or if you want to learn Turkish, then please visit turkishclass101.com. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Hi everyone, it's Celine and welcome to Turkish Weekly Words. Yay, I'm applauding myself. And today we will be learning rooms. Rooms? Really? Rooms? Okay. Oturma odası. Living room. Actually in Turkish, oturma means like sitting down. So it's like sitting down room. Oturma odanız çok temiz. Çok beğendim. It means like, oh, your living room is really clean. I really liked it. Yemek odası. Dining room. In Turkey, I think we don't have like a separate dining room. Usually, maybe like living room, dining room, kind of same for us. Benim evimde yemek odası yok. There is no dining room in my house. Mutfak. Kitchen. Mutfakta vakit geçirmeyi seviyorum. Çünkü yemek yapmayı seviyorum. It's kind of long, right? It means like I like to spend time in kitchen because I like cooking. Banyo. Bathroom. I like to be in bathroom. We also say like take bath, taking bath. Bath is banyo, so we are using the same word. Banyo yapmak, taking bath. Or for bathroom, banyo. Banyoda ayağım kaydı. Which means my foot slipped in the bathroom. Çamaşır odası. Laundry room. Turkish housewives use that kind of room for like cleaning, doing laundry and ironing, that kind of stuff. So not every house has this kind of room, but sometimes I see that kind of room in some houses. We don't have. We have a really small house, like 3 people only. So we don't have. So thank you guys for watching today. Videomu izlediğiniz için çok teşekkür ederim. See you guys in the next video, I hope. If you want to watch more videos or if you want to learn Turkish, then you have to visit turkishclass101.com. Mutlaka bekliyorum. Kesinlikle gelin. I'm waiting for you. Like, let's learn Turkish together. So, yeah. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Hi everyone, it's Celine and welcome to Turkish Weekly Words. As usual, I don't know the content of the lesson, so it's a surprise for me. Let's find out together. Colors, renkler. Colors mean renkler. Kırmızı, red. Red is my absolute favorite color. Kırmızı bir ruj almak istiyorum. Which means I want to buy a red lipstick. Sarı, yellow. Türkiye'de taksiler sarıdır. taxis in Turkey are yellow. I think in the rest of the world it's yellow as well. In Japan it's green, no? Green, white, maybe? Yeah. Oh, but we have pink actually. We have pink taxis like recently. I want to ride pink taxi. Mavi, blue. Mavi bir gökyüzü altında uyumak istiyorum. I said, I want to sleep under a blue sky. So poetic maybe. Mavi bir gökyüzü altında uyumak istiyorum. Yeşil, green. Green is my second favorite color. En iyi arkadaşımın göz rengi yeşil. My best friend's eye color is green. It is really green. He has really beautiful green eyes. Pembe, pink. Türkiye'de pembe taksiler de var. In Turkey, there are pink taxis as well. Usually it's yellow, but recently we have pink. If you want to watch more videos, please visit turkishclass101.com. So see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Hey guys, merhaba, nasılsınız? Welcome to Turkish Weekly Words. The lesson is a surprise for me. I don't know what I'm going to talk about because it's a surprise, as I told you. So let's find out together. Months of the year. Yılın ayları. Başlayalım. Let's start. Eylül. September. We actually use this word as like a girl name in Turkish. There are some Turkish girls whose name is September. We use it, yeah. And I think it's a pretty name actually. Eylül adında bir arkadaşım var. I have a friend whose name is Eylül. June. Haziran. I like summertime. Maybe it's because I was born in summer. So June is kind of my favorite. Not my favorite, my second favorite. After my birthday. Haziran'da hava çok sıcaktır. Weather is very hot in June. Aralık. December. So it's Christmas time, maybe, right? But we don't celebrate Christmas. Oh, it's too bad, right? We celebrate New Year actually, but we don't celebrate December 25. Aralık'ta İstanbul'da kar yağar. In December, it snows in Istanbul, but it doesn't snow at all in where I came from, Antalya. Ocak. January. My mom's birthday, January 27. Yeah, I'm not gonna say her age. Maybe she'll be angry. Ocak'ta annemin doğum günü var. My mom's birthday is in January. Ağustos. August. And my birthday is in August. Remember well. Benim doğum günüm 16 Ağustos'ta. My birthday is August 16. And I'm a Leo. Actually, I don't believe in, but I'm a Leo. Yeah. I think that's all for this video. And if you want to watch more videos, please visit turkishclass101.com. See you guys in the next video. Görüşürüz. Kendinize iyi bakın. Take care. Bye bye.
Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Turkish ebook before it's gone.